It's your travel agent, David, and I'm going to start doing small business spotlights wherever I go. And I'm going to start off my inaugural one with doing Natural 20. Natural 20 is a gaming lounge here in Las Vegas. There are 29 game lounges in Las Vegas. They just got voted number 1 out of all of them. So let's go check it out. Natural 20 Gaming is conveniently located at 4136 East Sunset Road in Henderson. Tucked away just minutes from the Strip, Natural 20 isn't your average gaming store. It's a fully immersive lounge where players of all experience levels can gather to game, connect, and unwind. So whether you're rolling dice in an epic campaign or strategizing over a competitive Magic match, you'll find a seat and a community here. Natural 20 was just voted the number 1 gaming lounge in Las Vegas, beating out nearly 30 others across the city. That's no small feat in a town known for entertainment, and it's easy to see why. They host regular events, game nights, and even provide rental minis, terrain, and private game rooms. If you're a fan of tabletop games, Magic the Gathering, Dungeons & Dragons, or just looking for a welcoming and inclusive gaming community in Las Vegas, Natural 20 Gaming Lounge is the place to be. What sets Natural 20 apart is the atmosphere. It's not just a place to buy cards or gear, it's a hub for gamers who love the social side of the hobby. Friendly staff, a welcome and well-organized layout, comfortable seating, and a curated selection of games makes this lounge a standout. Whether you're a local or just visiting Vegas, make sure to stop by Natural 20. Roll high, have fun, and experience why it became the top-rated gaming lounge in the city. From Dungeons and Dragons and Magic to Risk and Clue, Natural 20 has any game that you would want to do. And in all honesty, isn't that such a great setup? A lot of gaming areas, they got the 4 rooms as well. There's just a lot of cool features about it. So come check out and see why Natural 20 is #1 in Vegas out of gaming. And when you're here, starting the 23rd of July, Natural 21, their restaurant, is going to be opening up right around the corner. So you can be able to game, get some great food, come back and game, get some more great food. So it's just a great setup for anybody that's got any kind of gaming needs. Now, I'll see you next time on my next trip. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And again, if you got any questions or you need anything about Natural 20, put them in the comments and I'll get the answers for you.